Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using Anastasia's new Dip Brow Gel in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to start off by putting the product on a flat angled brush, and then I'm going to draw lines in the front section of my eyebrow, upward sloping so that it looks like natural hair going upwards. And when you go towards the front of the eyebrow, you have to be very gentle to make sure that you don't put too much product and make it look too intense. And I actually went back into the product to get more product to start the back side. So when you guys reach the back edge of the eyebrow, you make lines downward sloping so that it looks like hair's going downward, so like a normal eyebrow would look like. And I basically draw the line after I'm done completing that, and then I brush it off. So that's the first step for eyebrow application. And then you go on to the concealer, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. And this part you have to take like your time. Like I'm emphasizing, you need to take your time so that you actually conceal it really well. Like even if you don't do the eyebrow part like with the product application, right? The concealing part makes the major impact on your eyebrow. So just go very gently and then take a blending brush and then blend it off to make it look more natural. And you do the same at the top. Go very slowly. I go a bit faster because I'm so used to doing my eyebrows, but when you guys are doing it for the first time or occasionally, go very slowly, and then as I said, you just blend it off. It's good to blend it off. The more you blend it, the more natural it looks. And this is the finished eyebrow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.